What the hell? It's been a long day, right? Hey love, welcome back. It's your girl Bekah, and I appreciate you for tuning in. In this look, I'm serving you I Said Yes to the Ring on New Year's Eve. Or I'm going into 2018 boy free. Okay? We're gonna get our lives together. We're gonna enter this next year looking like we have our lives together. So nonetheless, thank you for taking time out and watching this. Every product will be displayed and showed throughout the video. Until next time, I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on Instagram. The first questions, it says, do you have any pets? But currently I have roosters and chickens. We don't buy eggs at the grocery store. There's no need to. We just get it from our backyard. I'm gonna go with black opal, the loose powder, because I am oily. I have to set this really good because once my pores decide to be active, it's over. It is over. Next, I'm gonna go in and conceal with my LA Girl concealer in orange. The second question is, do I like sushi? Do I eat sushi every now and then? Do I like it? Yes. Would I choose that over a nice bowl of salad? No, I wouldn't, but I do like sushi. Go ahead and use my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra 24-Hour Makeup Foundation. Third question, have you ever taken any medication to help you fall asleep faster? Is ZyQuil a medication? I don't know if ZyQuil is a medication, but yes, I have. I try not to take it anymore, but there's days where I know I need to sleep and my body just won't go to sleep. So I'll take it and then I'll force myself to sleep. So now that I have applied my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight and contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes in Deep. All right, question number 4 is, how old will I be turning on my next birthday? Well, I'll be turning 27. Shortly after that will be the big 30. It kind of gives me anxiety a little bit because just yesterday I was 18. Question number 5 is, where do I see myself in 5 years? With my bachelor's in nursing and with a child that I adopted, and almost finishing my master's in nurse practitioner and specializing in psychology. Question number 6, do I wear contacts or glasses? Neither. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Benefits What's Up cream highlighter. And then I'm gonna go over with Nude Stick Nudies and Brown Sugar Baby. And then I'm gonna go back with my ABH palette and use Cinnamon to go ahead and shape under my eyebrows. All right, question number 7. What took you the longest to learn in makeup? Eyeliner. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead in Sephora's Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer and Ganache, only because I just want an extra, hey, how you doing, you know? Question number 8. When was my last all-nighter? Monday through Friday. I go to work at 10 p.m. I get off at 6 a.m. I have to be in class by 8 a.m. I get out of class at 2:30. And then I have to drag myself over to somebody's gym, work out for 45 minutes. And if I'm lucky, I catch me 4 hours of sleep. If I'm not lucky, well, sis, I'm up all night. How about that? I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in 35. You know what? Question number 9. It's not on the list, but one thing I would never do plastic surgery on is surgically enhance my nose. Why? Because that's my mother's nose. And my mother is the closest thing to me on this earth, and I love her to the very last breath of me. Sis, you will catch these hands over my old girl. So that being said, why would I want to remove something she gave me, you know? I'll go ahead and contour my face with this brown shadow from Maybelline. It's from the Expert Wear. For my transition color, I'm gonna go ahead and use Black Radiance Warm Berry. It's a baked blush. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use Color Mates blush in Sunkissed Tan. I'm gonna go add this color in here from the 35P. I'm gonna go ahead and add a tint more color with the Exhibit from NARS. The Wet n Wild palette, the Comfort Zone, and I'm gonna use the definer on this here. Question 10. What did I want to be growing up? The first thing I remember me wanting to be was a lawyer. And then after that, I thought I wanted to be a cop, but let's be real, I'm not taking a bullet for nobody. It's just not gonna happen, sis. These 3 yellows in this palette for the center. When I got to Oklahoma, I then realized that I wanted to be a nurse. Brush off the loose powder for my highlight. I'm gonna use the Black Radiance and Deep, I believe this one is, medium to dark. I'm gonna use the Sculpt one, which is in the middle. Go ahead and add more to my soft contour. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Queen Collection in bronze, the bronzer, which is in Ebony. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face with the highlighter. I'm gonna use 3 different highlighters. Now on the back of my hand, this is how they look like. This is the Mary Lou, this is the Wet n Wild, this is the Revolution. Next, I'm gonna go with the Revolution Baked Bronzer. Now I'm gonna set my face with the Black Radiance Pressed Powder, and this is in the color Ebony. Now I'm gonna set my face again with this Ben Nye Professional Contour Palette. I'm gonna use the second to last darker color to set the whole thing. So for my lips, I'm gonna use a dark purple lip liner, and then I'm gonna use a very pinkish nude liquid lipstick, and then I'm gonna go with the clear lip gloss on top. I'm gonna set my face with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier setting spray that I have. And that is it. Catch this real quick, okay? What is meant for you in 2018 is meant for you, and you will get it. Because what you don't know is your blessing and your wisdoms and your understanding is right around the corner, sis. Until then, get your face together, get your life together, go on a run, honey, and glow for 2018.